Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2019 Ford Explorer and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the panel. So to prep it, we need to apply Slip Solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also with this one, we're gonna need to lift the hood. That way we clean the upper edges of the headlight here. So to start with the installation, apply Slip Solution onto the headlight lens and Slip Solution onto the tint film. And with this one, place the film onto the headlight and you kind of get an idea of how the installation is going to be. So with this one, just make sure you align it on this end first. Make sure it's aligned, and we're just going to apply Tack Solution and squeegee this section here to secure it, and then we're going to work our way on each section until we reach it to this end. So it's just one piece at a time. Okay, so for this side, like I mentioned, lift it and apply Tack Solution, but make sure it's still aligned to the headlight. So make sure it's aligned and apply Tack Solution on top as well, and then tack down this section. Okay, now that this section's tacked down, we could work on each different section here. So now let's work on the middle section. Make sure everything is still aligned. You might need to do a light stretch in order to reach this film to the edge of the headlight here. And also with the stretching, we help remove any fingers that were in the middle section here. So hold it in position and apply Tack Solution on top of the film. That way our squeegee is able to glide and it doesn't get stuck on the film. And then the final piece, make sure this is aligned to the edge, and then apply Tack Solution and tack it down. Okay, and before we continue on with the next piece, we need to make sure this edge is all sealed. That way it doesn't lift over time. So to seal it, we're going to apply heat and Tack Solution and use our microfiber towel to help it tack down and seal it. So Tack Solution on top, apply heat, and with the microfiber towel, tack it down. Okay, now we move on to this piece. Okay, so for this last piece, apply Slip Solution on the top lens. Just be careful not to spray solution on the inside of the vehicle, and on Slip Solution onto the tint film. And all you need to do is just apply the film and just overlap it to this section. That way it does a full coverage. So make sure you overlap it just a bit. This section, it's not going to matter. The hood covers this piece. We're only trying to cover or everything that shows after we close the hood. So for this piece, align it. Once it's aligned, lift the film and apply Tack Solution. Make sure you still have it aligned and start tacking it down. And just little by little start working to the other side of the film. Make sure you're covering the lens. Just to help it tack down faster, apply Tack Solution on the lens. Keep it aligned and squeegee as you go. And it's just making sure everything is aligned and you're not showing any of the clear of the lens. And after that, you should be good. And then just tack down the rest on the top. And that's pretty much it. And now the last step would be to post heat the whole film, just to ensure that the adhesive on the film activates and it cures faster. And also make sure there's no water bubbles behind the film before we actually seal it. So for this one, make sure you spray the lens, clean it before you put the Foglight. And this one should be easy to install the Foglight because you have area to work with here. So it's just inserting the tint and then aligning it to cover everything that's showing here. So apply Slip Solution on the lens and Slip Solution to the tint film. You could tuck it in inside. Just make sure you're covering everything. So as you can see, it does a full coverage. Lift the film carefully and slide it back to position and apply Tack Solution. And then with this one, because it is a small area to work with, you're going to have to tack it down section by section. So just hold it in place and tack it down. And just take your time. You don't need to rush this part. Just make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film. And it should be good. It's being secured. And then once we post heat, that will help the adhesive activate faster. That way it doesn't move afterwards. As you can see, I'm moving it and it's mostly secured now. But once we apply heat, when we post heat, it should be good to go. So now we move on. So when it comes to post heating, all you need to do is apply tack solution on the film, and also make sure you apply tack solution and heat on the areas we overlap and anywhere where you still see small fingers. Once you apply your tack solution, grab your heat gun, and like I mentioned, apply heat anywhere where we overlap the film, on the edges, wherever you still see some small fingers, just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it won't lift over time. And then we're using our microfiber towel to help tack down the film and absorb any solution. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2019 Ford Explorer. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.